Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me, Rahma Cynthia Eka Putri. By the way, I'm from Group 2. We'll discuss about long vowels, diphthongs, and triphthongs. And now, I will present about long vowels. In English spelling, each vowel letter can have multiple pronunciation. Although English has just 5 vowel letters, but there are several vowel sounds. This happens because the vowel sounds can be influenced by the surrounding consonant and the position of vowel letter in the word. For instance, A in the word cat, car, father, and about can be different. Crystal in 1994 state there are 20 vowel sounds in English. They are divided into 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. 12 monophthongs divided into 7 short vowels and 5 long vowels. And I will explain the 5 long vowels. The difference between short vowels and long vowels clearly visible in the duration of the pronunciation. Usually, long vowels pronounce longer with the open mouth, like the A in far and E in the word see. And the symbols of long vowels consist of a vowel followed by a length mark made by 2 dots. In contrast, short vowels are pronounced more briefly with the mouth more closed, like cup and ten. Okay, so the first long vowel is E. E is a long sound. And how to make the sound E? First, make the mouth wide like a smile. E. The sound E usually spelled in E and EA. Let's practice. If I say repeat after me, then all of you say repeat after you. Okay? See, agree. Eat, seat, team, green, cream, people. Okay, good job. And I have a note for you. In alphabet, there are 8 letters that have sound E. They are B, C, D, G, E, P, T, and V. And the next long vowel is U. How to make the sound U? Look at the diagram. Make the lips into a tunnel shape. The tongue is a long way back in the mouth. Nah, sounds U ini biasanya terdapat di kata yang mempunyai O, O, OU, OE, U, UE, UW. Okay, next, let's practice. Remember that if I say repeat after me, then all of you say repeat after you. Okay? Two, glue, shoe, blue, school, spoon. When the spelling is U or UW, there is often a G sound before the U, like new, music, Tuesday, June, and news. There are also other spellings of U. Two, fruit, juice. The next long vowel is A. Okay, repeat after me, guys. A. A is a long sound. The lip position is natural. And how to make the sounds A? Look at the diagram. Open the mouth wide. A. A is usually spelled in the word A or AR. Let's practice. Repeat after me. After. Ask. But. Fast. Father. Far. Star. Card. Answer. Park. Good job. And also let's practice these words. Up. Laugh. Heart. Half. Jadi bisa kita perhatikan di sini ada beberapa huruf yang juga bisa kita pronounce sebagai long vowel A. The fourth long vowel is O. O is a long sound. And how to make the sound O? Look at the diagram. Long the lips more than for A. Front of tongue down, lips forward and jaw down. Pay attention, like this. O. O. Then sound and spelling. So long vowels O can we find in a letter of a word. The first is A. Look at this table. All, ball, tall, wall, water. And then all in the word tall, wall, and then AU, autumn. And then AW, saw. And then AUGH in the word daughter, taught, caught. And then OUGH in the word boat, taught. And then AR in the word quarter, warm. And then in letter OR in the word born, corner, 40, horse, short, short. And then in ORE in the word before, more. And then OUR in the word for, and OOR in the word door and floor. Okay, so the last long vowel is E. E is a long sound. This is a central vowel which is well known in most English accents. And fun fact, many foreigners find difficulty in pronouncing this sound. And how to make the sounds look at the diagram. To make these sounds, the mouth and the tongue should be very relaxed. Can we find in the word that consists of letter IR, like in the word bird, first, birthday, circle. And next in the word that consists of OR, like in the word word, work, work, words, and words. And then in the word that consists of UR, in the word turn and Thursday. And next in the word that consists of OUR, like in the word journey. And the next in the word that consists of EAR, like in the word early, earth, hurt, learn. And the last in the word that consists of ER, like in the word service, Germany, prefer, desert, verb, and university. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. Let's say these sentences. The first, my birthday's on Thursday, the 31st, and hers is a week later. She went to university to learn German. Have you ever heard this word? That the worst journey in the world. It's noticeable that these 5 long vowels differ from the 6 short vowels are not only in the duration, but also in sound quality. Remembering the landmark is crucial not for necessity but for aiding learners in distinguishing vowel lengths. The exception to this general rule is perhaps the similarity between A and E. However, E is a unique case which we'll explain later. Okay, so that's all materi yang bisa saya jelaskan dalam materi long vowels. And the next material is diphthongs will be explained by Putri Maharani.
Hello, my name is Putri Maharani from class D. Today we will learn about diphthongs, one of the ways to pronouncing the vocals in English. Are you ready? I'm ready. So the first one is, what is diphthongs? Diphthongs is when we pronouncing becomes two voice. It can be one vocals, two voice, or two vocals, two voice. And then The name of process is gliding. When the first vowels follow the second vowels. But in these diphthongs, we will focus on first vowels, then second vowels. And then, guys, diphthongs have two types. The first one is centering, ended with a. And then the second is closing, ended with e and u. So the question is, what is a? A is the swa. A is the swa. In Indonesia, swa is enggan or kembali. Now, we will discuss about centering diphthongs ended with a. So the first one is air. Repeat after me. Air. Similar to air. And the spelling letter combination, there are A-I, and then A, and then E-A. For example, in the words, there are stare, and then bear, chair, and pear. So, it can be wrong if we say bear, chair, and pear. So the second one is ear. Repeat after me. Ear. Similar to ear. And the spelling letter combination, there are EE and IE, and then EA. Example, in the words, there are beer, near, clear, and fair. So the last from centering diphthongs, there is u. Take notes, u is only using only in British. In American, u is not using. U similar to sure. So the spelling letter combination, there are oo, ou, and u. Example of the words fur, lure, and cure. Then the next we will discuss about closing diphthongs. The first one, there is a. A similar to grave. Repeat after me. A similar to grave. And letter combination, there are A, I, A, and I. Example of the words, there are break, taste, pay, and rain. It can be wrong if we say break, taste, pay, and rhyme. And then the second is I. I similar to I. And the letter combination, there are E, IGH, and Y. Example of the words, there are cry, night, and like. And the third is oi, similar to boy. And letter combination, there are oye and oi, atau oi and oi. Example of the word, there are oil, toy, coil, and soil. It can be wrong if we say oil, toy, koi, soil. And then the fourth is ow. Ow is similar to o. Letter combination, there are ou and owe. O or o. Example of the word, there are brown, hound, and now. Repeat after me. Brown, hound, and now. And the last is o. Repeat after me. O. O similar to boat. And the letter combination, there are o, and o. And the example of the words, there are slough, go, and no, and low. Repeat after me. Slow, go, no, and low. So that's all from me, and the next material will be explained by my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introducing myself. My name is Nurzahina Wayukinanti with NPM 21110402 and 01. I'm from 7G and here I will explain about the definition of triphthongs. Triphthongs is a glide from one vowel to another vowel and to assert all procedured rapidly and without interruptions. Hour. The sound is o, u. It's pronounced o, u. Hour. Hour as in hour. Hour as in hour. H is silent. Flower as in flower. Sour as in sour. Not shower or not flower. It's a floor as in flower. Sour as in sour, not shower or not flower. Next is air. It's pronounced a, I, u. Air. Example is fire. Dire. Air. Inspire. You are. It's pronounced E, O, A. You are. Example is cure, pure, fury. Okay guys, maybe that's all our lesson today about triphthongs. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.